Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create 2 into 2 picture in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show create 2 into 2 picture. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for insert option. That's it. Then I show this picture create 2 into 2. Now going to the size option. Now for click. Then this mark cross from the log accept ratio. Now height 2 and we did 2. Now click for OK. That is. Then we show create 2 into 2 picture in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.